This is the difference between natural sunscreen, otherwise known as mineral sunscreen, and chemical sunscreen. Let's start with chemical sunscreen. Now, chemical sunscreen works by converting the UV rays that hit your skin into heat using a chemical reaction, using all of these ingredients. Now, it's important to wear SPF, whether it's natural or this, but I just want to tell you what the difference is. We don't market this as a sunscreen, but I want to use it as an example. So a natural sunscreen, or mineral sunscreen as sometimes it's called, acts as a physical barrier. There's no chemical reactions involved. It literally is a physical barrier on your skin, which is great, and it's safer for the environment and your skin. However, the problem that we face with natural sunscreen, and why I'm showing you this as an example, are the two ingredients that act as sun protection. They are called zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. More on them later. Now, these two ingredients, they protect your skin, like I say, with the physical barrier. However, they are very thick and they are very white. This causes a problem, especially if you have darker skin. Now, for me, I have a very light complexion, so it doesn't bother me. But my husband has a dark complexion, and the white cast he doesn't like, which is fair enough. It just means that you have to rub it in more. And that is the problem with most natural sunscreens. You will have a slight white cast to start with. Now, that's great if you've got babies or children, because then you can see exactly where you've rubbed it in. But for some adults, it's a bit unsightly. That's the problem we have creating a natural sunscreen, and that's why it's taken me so long. More on zinc oxide. This has got zinc oxide in it, that's why. More on that now. It's not what it looks like, I promise. This is titanium dioxide and this is zinc oxide, and this is the difference. So titanium dioxide protects the skin more against UVB rays. It's also used as a colourant in some cosmetics and soaps. It's very thick and it's very white. It's quite hard to rub in, especially at the percentages that you need for optimum UVB protection. And this is zinc oxide. Now, it's slightly thinner. It's non-nano, which means the particles aren't small enough to go into your bloodstream, basically. And also it means it's safer for fishies and marine life, because they cannot digest it as the particles are too big. Now, because the particles are big, it protects your skin, a physical barrier from the UVA rays. Okay, now this one again is very hard to absorb. The intensive skin recovery cream has got a lot of this in it, because it also benefits the skin if it's sore. It's like a healing magic powder, if you like. That's the difference between titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. I hope you found that interesting, and if you did, don't forget to like and share and follow me for more.